Congratulations! You just coded your very first screen. And now that we are done with the intro screen, click on the game screen button to start working on that. Let's think. What are the elements of this screen? There's a ball, the bricks, the paddle, and the score. First, let's put in the design elements before we code them. The first thing that coders do when designing a game is that they break it down into smaller elements like we just did. And now that we are all coders too, let's think about all the different elements that a game like Atari Breakout can have on its game screen in more detail. We of course need the paddle that is controlled by the user, the ball that moves randomly while bouncing off all the edges of the screen except the bottom one, the bricks that are lined up in rows, and a background to the whole screen. Now, since everything except the design of the background will be coded, let's go ahead and choose our background for the game screen first. Click on Design and choose the background of your choice. I think I'm going to choose a different one than the last time. This one. Okay. Once you choose your own background, click on the next video to work on the other elements of your game.